Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. And today's date is August the 26th. And I'm using my new Easy Trader trading system. Now this one here has the built-in alerts. It's a super signal indicator that gives pop-up arrows, pop-up box. Like if I can bring this up, now you'll get a pop-up box like this along with a audio alert, and of course you'll get the arrows telling you either to buy and or sell, just to let you know that let me remove this. And by the way, you can put it on any moving average you want. I use exponential. You can use any value. You can look back as hundreds and hundreds of bars if you want. It's just default is 500. Now in this situation, the candle before is the setup candle, and this is the candle you're going to pull the trigger on. So this up move was 80 pips. And this move, that's your setup candle, and this move down here was another 65. But what I like to do is at least be going in the direction of my daily trade plan. Now every morning at 6 o'clock for about the next 2 months, I'm going to be putting together my daily trade plan. And we can look at that one for today. Right here. Here's my daily trade plan for today. Now it did say to buy right here, bullish trade. And also I'm keeping an eye on not only this, but my daily trade plan expert advisor. So I am keeping an eye not only on the Word document, and I took a screenshot about the same time between 6 and 7 this morning. Now this would be more accurate than this because this here, there's no humans involved, whereas I could make a mistake whether it's bearish, bullish, or ups or downs. Now it's not going to say 100% exactly the same, but as you can see, it is most of them are right on. You can put the video on pause and compare it. So now we can get into these trades. First one is the pound dollar. There's the arrow from both of the daily trade plans. Let's drag and drop this up. Now this one does pay $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Took the trade at this cursor and it should be 28. So let's see how that looks. There it is right there, 28. I'm glad I got out because if I wasn't paying attention, I would turn a winning trade into a losing trade. 28 pips times $10 times 10 lots paid out $2,800. Moving right along to the next trade, Euro New Zealand, another one I wanted to be buying. Let's see where I got in at. Again, right around this time, which was 8:46 actually. And I close it out, just being happy. And once I feel like I got 200 or more pips and ticks, I just close out the trades. Could have made a lot more, 120, but I was happy with about 63 pips. And those 63 pips paid out $3,981. Moving on to the next trade, Euro Aussie, wanted to be buying it. Everything is very clear. And by the way, this Easy Trader system is like 95% very, very similar and close to the MACD. The only thing I did was remove the MACD. And I put in the super signal indicator. And I do have a special going on right at the moment, which I can show you. Whereas if you buy the Daily Trade Plan Expert Advisor and you buy the MACD trading system, I will give you this Easy Trader totally free. And keep in mind that this is the one that has the super signal, and it catches the beginning of the ups and the down cycles. So you buy two, and keep in mind each one of them is $250, so 2 times 250 is 500, and then I just give you the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. Okay, here we go. Next one. Took the trade earlier, let's see, around 6:15 in the morning, and I closed it out. Just being happy as usual. Looks like this one is also 63 pips, and that paid out $4,473. Remember, I teach how to trade exactly this way within the training videos. When you combine that with the Daily Trade Plan Expert Advisor, you're going in the right direction, and so it raises your win rate. Obviously, you're going to have more successful trades. Euro yen, let's run a check on that. Wanted to be buying it, everything qualified actually for a great way to trade. Another thing I teach, got in here and it could have just as easily kept going up. Went sideways, did a bit of a dip, not too much. Let's see, about 15 pips, and I closed it out being happy. Looks like 62 on this one. 62 pips, and that ended up paying out $4,609. Moving on to the euro dollar, and like the pound dollar, it pays $10 for each pip. By the way, you remember from the pound dollar, it did exactly the same. Started to go up, decided to do a pullback, which is not a big deal. Came back around 28 pips, but I knew because of my daily trade plan it was going to go up, and there was other things in here telling me it's going to go up. Looks like I locked in about, should be 52. There it is right there, 52 pips times $10 times 10 lots. That paid out $5,200. Moving on to the Euro CAD. Another one I wanted to be buying. Did a bit of a pullback. There was the pullback there. And on where I pulled the trigger, everything lined up perfect down at the bottom. That's your setup candle. And well, getting in here, or here, it's not a big deal. It's all the same. And I closed it out again, just being happy with about 80, looks like 80 pips, and that paid out $6,190. Okay, running a check on this Euro CAD here. Did a bit of a pullback here, and then it started to go up. This will be your setup candle, and this is your trigger candle. So anywhere here, here, take the trade. Stop is always swing low, 16 pips. And looks like I ended up with about 80 pips, and 80 pips on this trade paid $6,190. Okay, moving on to the last instrument now, the DAX 30. Moves the most and pays the most, as you can clearly see. It is the winner of the day, and it usually is the winner every day. DAX 30 and the NASDAQ, two very big winners. So DAX 30, let's see where I got in at. This is let's see, run a check here. It's the only one here that I sold. There's the arrow. And taken directly from the daily trade plan. Again, you can see how fantastic this is. Daily trade plan. I took a screenshot in the morning for today, New York. DAX 30, look at that. Look for bearish trades, preferred. What more could you ask for? This daily trade plan is a keeper. It pays for itself hundreds of times over. Every day it does for me. So let's see where we got in at. Took the trade at 8.54. Now I knew I wanted to be selling, but the market is very random, so remember 10 or 20 ticks is not going to hold on this DAX 30. You know, unless you manage to get in right here as it's dropping down, which is very, very difficult to do. All you can do is take the trade, you have to manage a trade, and you have to have money management. You have to have those things in order. So got in at this cursor. Just to let you know, I took the money, divided it by $3.75. That's what it pays for each tick. And I came up with, calculator says 685. Remember, you use all the digits. And just to let you know, if you ever wish to double your account in one trade, I actually teach how to do that. And the magic number for doubling your account is 1334. And today went over 4,000. And if you go all the way from back here, it dropped actually 4,350. And so if you want to double your account, you just take your account and do the maximum lots that your account will allow you to do. And of course, the 1334 actually hit right here on this candle there. So on this candle or this candle, you would have doubled your account. I don't care if it's a $500 account or 50,000 or 500,000. The numbers do not lie. Once you master that trick, you can easily double your account every day. Let's see now. What did I say? The number was 685. Just to let you know, this is going to be very difficult to get that rate on. 695. Oh, that's as close as I'm going to get. But it's 685 ticks times the 10 lots times the $3.75. That ended up paying out $25,687. So another great day of trading. Great way to end the week. I added up all the pips and the ticks. Obviously, there's a lot more ticks. Complements of the DAX 30 here. Grand total for today was 1,033, and that paid out $52,942. So if your system is not producing like my Easy Trader system, remember I've combined all of this, together to produce results like this. And remember, you need a lot of education, which I provide. You need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and you need a daily trade plan and, a pretty good system. So if you're interested in anything at all, look right below this video. You'll see this right up. It's my, I'm not going to read everything here because we're at 15 minutes already. I recommend you just put this on pause and read everything here. It's the daily trade plan EA. Do charge $250 for it. It's the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator, which is the one I'm using, which is like almost identical to the MACD trader. All I did was remove the MACD. This one is also $250, but it incorporates the super signal indicator. And of course, if you buy, the MACD trading system. So I do have an ongoing special. If you buy the daily trade plan EA, and if you buy the MACD trading system, MACD trader system, this is where all the training videos are, and this is what you really need. Whereas these two have only 3 videos in each one, as you can see. 3 videos, 3 videos. There's not a lot of education in it. So, doesn't make any difference. You buy any 2 of these, I give the other one for free. And it's a special limited time offer. So, it's up to you. And if you're interested, well, just get in contact with me. As I said, you can put the video on pause. Let's see. Let's bring this over here, I guess. So I look at all the different ways that I teach. Plenty and plenty of ways to trade. And like there's over 3 gigabytes of training. You know, you get all the bells and whistles, many different ways to trade. So if you have any, questions at all, go over this video, put it on pause, read everything I just showed you. All you got to do is, if you have any questions, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And if you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. And through Skype screen sharing, after you click on this link, we'll be connected. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next trading day and video, well, looks like that'll be Monday. Could be Sunday night if I feel like trading. But generally, as a rule, I prefer trading the New York in the morning. So until now and then, want to wish you good luck. Enjoy your rest of your day and your weekend. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.